Hello, a while back I had the issue and I made a video about it that the Chrome driver that I was using wasn't up to date anymore. So I had to um, get a newer Chrome driver, that one that is compatible with the version of Chrome that was on my computer. Um, while the workaround, as I said, I made a video about it and you can watch it, it's present in this list, is okay and is definitely something which you can do from time to time. It is not nice. I mean, imagine you were running tests and all of a sudden your tests fail because, well, your Chrome version is not compatible with the um, Chrome driver anymore. To fix this, I'm going to show you in this video how you can use something called WebDriver Manager. So again, in the POM XML, I copy the dependency. You will have it in the repository. It's already there. You just have to copy this and update Maven, or have Maven update the dependencies. And in the code, we're just commenting this out, and we're going to add these two lines here. Let me just import this class and this one as well. So we're going to do WebDriver Manager Chrome driver.setup, and we're going to say this driver is new Chrome driver. And also in the after class with the tear down, we're going to add this code. And now your tests will run as before, and each time there's going to be an update for your Chrome driver. No need to worry. The magic will happen in the backend, meaning you will not have to re-download any Chrome driver. This will all be done by the WebDriver Manager. And it doesn't only work with Chrome, it works also with Firefox, yeah, Safari, whatever. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Do comment in the comment section what you would like to see so that I make videos that interest you and interest me. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.